What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today we are going to do a video tutorial, a simple tutorial on how to find a website's IP address using the command prompt in Windows 10. Well, actually any version of Windows. But right now I'm using Windows 10. So anyway, it actually is possible to find a website's IP address using the command prompt tool. And it's actually pretty easy to do it. So therefore I will show you how. It's very simple, but I will still show you. So first you go to the command prompt tool, and there it is. First I'm going to maximize this since I don't really like the tininess of the window. Alright, so in your command prompt, first you're going to want to type tracert space and then the website you want to find the IP address on. For example, let's take Amazon.com. And then press enter, and then it's going to trace the IP address over a maximum of 30 hops, and this may take a while, so just be patient. Alright, so if it starts saying request timed out, then don't worry. It doesn't mean anything bad. It just means that the trace took too long to process. It doesn't usually mean anything, but if it starts saying that, then do not panic. However, I think there are ways to fix it, but really it doesn't affect anything. Alright, it's getting there. It sometimes usually takes about like 30 hops to trace an IP address of a website, but sometimes it usually only lasts for like 10 hops, depending on how long it takes for the request to process in time. But I think this will be like between 25 to 30 hops, but we'll see. Alright, and now the trace is complete. So therefore the IP address for Amazon.com is 176.32.103.205. Now, I apologize for all of the request timed out errors, but like I said, you don't have to panic because it doesn't mean anything. It just means that it might take longer to process depending on you know, like, it's hard to say, but it depends on certain features of your network. But probably not. I'm sure it's fine, but that's all it means. Alright, so that's how you trace a website's IP address using the Windows command prompt tool. So if you found this video helpful, then you can like this video as well as comment down below, and be sure to subscribe for more tech videos. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you next time.